can see the opening page of our software. First, you need to log into your account. After you log in, you will go to this page where you can tap in your license code. Next, click the Validate button to check if there are any similar projects in the database. Our software has detected some similar work to what you have uploaded. If you want to check the similarity report, you just need to press Confirm. You notice that there are a number of similar items as yours, 6 of which were created after your upload. If you want to check more details, you need to download the report to see how much money has been stolen from your licensed music. Now, let's check another song. As can be seen, the system has not found any similar works until now. You have the option, therefore, to protect your work. If you click Yes, your work will go to your Vault page where you have your project menu. To start protecting your assets, click the New Project file. To create a project, fill in the information necessary and sign. The software will then give you a private key, which you can use to access your file in the system. Now you can choose the files you want to protect. Simply select the files and press Choose so they will be uploaded onto the system. Once in the system, a timestamp will be generated. If you want to see your timestamp, press Get Certificate. Simply choose the item you want the certificate generated for. This certificate can be used as evidence in case of any IP infringements. Now, after all the documents are uploaded and certified, you can go back to the Vault and archive this project. Press the Lock button and then click Yes. You will then be asked to provide your signature. The system will lock the chain temporarily and save it to the project system. You can find the final status of your archive file under your Creator page. Now, let's see if there are any potential IP infringement risks to your project. Click Monitor and choose the projects you want to monitor. Our platform uses machine learning to do further professional analysis. The system will take a moment to rank your highest threats. You can click the results to download your similarity report. If you want to claim your rights and stop other people from stealing your licensed music, you can retrieve your data and go to your lawyers. If you don't have a lawyer, don't worry. Our lawyers are ready to help you. Whether you want the legal notice or a full IP strategy, you can count on us. If you're in the music industry, you can choose publishing, neighboring rights, and recording protection. Our IP expert will come to you soon and solve your problems. If you want to know more information about us, go to our website. You can find everything you need. Additionally, if you want to buy any additional reports, click the Upgrade button and select a package. This will direct you to our website where you can make the purchase.